loser.
Hey, you loser. Man. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. और today is the match day और जैसे कि आप देख लो मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ and I'm waiting for another person जो मेरे साथ आया हुआ है अहमदाबाद इसके लिए ताकि वो भी रेडी हो जाए. तब तक आप मेरे रूम में देख लो, ये मेरा रूम है एंड ये उसकी टी शर्ट है जो कि हारने वाली है. हम लोगों ने बेट लगाई हुई है 1,000 की. अगर मैं जीता, अगर गुजरात जीती तो आई विल गेट 1,000 एंड अगर वो जीता तो आई हैव टू गिव. एंड दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम द होटल रूम. ये बहुत अच्छा नहीं है वैसे, कब्रिस्तान ही है बट ठीक है. सी इट्स फाइन. लेट्स सी हू विंस एंड इफ गुजरात जीती है तो पार्टी पार्टी पार्टी. ओए लूजर, ओए लूजर, are you ready to give me 1,000?
Yeah, we'll see who is going to give the money.
Arey, you gonna give the money, man? Now this fucker is ready after 1 hour. Isala kab naam do? Isala kab naam do to this? Arey, which team I'm supporting? Which team I'm supporting? I forgot. Gujrat Titans. Isala kab naam do to Gujrat Titans, man. He will be winning. Shubman Gill. If shortage of players, they can call me. Shubman Gill, I can play. And how can play instead of Rohit Sharma? At least better than him. Get ready, man. How much time will be taking to get ready and to lose the match? Bro, get ready fast. Oi, Rohit. How are you feeling, man?
Yeah, they're going to win, obviously. Arey, Shubman Gill, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. We're gonna win 1,000 rupees. Seriously, man. This is so good. I'm coming here only, man. And I'll be catching every.
Loser is showing off.
Gujrat. How are you feeling after losing, man?
Mumbai.
जीते तो यार, जीते तो गुजरात है.
Friend, we will be winning
अरे
the tournament.
10,000 rupees, you will do anything.
Why should I send 1,000 rupees?
You better gambler. 10,000.
Why should I send you? What happened?
I have the record, man. I have the proofs. Send me 1,000 rupees.